You have chosen a great course to check out. The Advanced Melt and Pour Glycerin Soap Making course is just packed with so many beautiful projects. Now, it's not for a beginner. You really will need some experience before coming on this course, but we will be taking you through a wealth of different techniques and really getting you creating some beautiful and stunning designs by the end of the day. It doesn't matter whether you're just wanting to make soap for your friends and your family, just for fun as a beautiful hobby, or whether you want this to be a little bit extra and take your business that bit further to give you that competitive market edge. This course is going to fulfill all of the design elements that you need to get going. What will you be covering on the day? Well, you will be making and learning about many different things. But one of the things that we'll be looking at is not just making the products, but actually designing ahead of time. You're going to learn fabulous ways to create surface decoration and texture. You're going to be creating loaves and gâteaux and stylizing beautiful soaps, upmarket slab styles. We're going to include rims. Lots of different ways to create effect within the soap itself. You'll be learning about pressing, moulding and different cutting techniques. You'll be learning how to design your soaps ahead of making them. That's going to save you time and money and help you get the most from your product. Within this course, we include a full Q&A session, and that includes design discussions as well. So we really want you to feedback and ask as many questions as possible. Most of all, we want your designs to really stand out from the crowd, but they need to be functional and efficient to help you develop your brand and your business. So we'll be teaching you how you can create stunning designs efficiently and help upscale that soap production. As well as all of the projects that you'll be making on the course, there's an extensive handout and there's lots of additional information in there so that you can continue your learning after the course too. And we'll be sharing some great bonus recipes with you. So if you're ready to take your melt and pour glycerin soap crafting to the next level and come and have a day of absolute fun and take home a pamper hamper full of beautiful soaps that you've made, check out the information, click on the button, and I hope that we see you really soon. Bye bye for now.